Creative visuals stand out when structure and experimentation work together seamlessly. Today, how to explore experimental frame layouts, open Canva, and create a 1080 by 1080 canvas. Insert a mix of frames in different shapes and arrange them in a freeform layout. Upload your images and drag them into each frame, adjusting them individually for balance. Select the background and apply a subtle gradient or textured tone. Slightly rotate or overlap one or two frames to introduce variation while keeping control. Add small decorative elements like lines or shapes with low opacity. Use position tools selectively to maintain overall balance. Add minimal text using a